Put them fries in the bag. Eating all them crispy fries. Eating all them crispy fries. Fuck Five Guys. Crispy fries. Eating all them crispy fries. Fuck Five Guys. You got any spare change? I could use them to go Burger King in Port Washington. Yeah, motherfucker, get down like a bitch. Eat them like crispy fries. Eat them crispy fries. Eat them all. Eat them crispy fries. Eat them crispy fries. Eat them all. Eat them crispy fries. Eat all the crispy fries. Eat them all. Eat them crispy fries. Eat them crispy fries. Yeah. Shorty, let me get a try at this. Alright. I was there when Elvis Presley died. I saw fucking Tyrannosaurus Rex. I was there when World War I and II started and ended. I was born in 1835. I fucking hate Five Guys. 1835. Yeah. Come on, Sonny, come on. Sonny, these nuts across your face. Sliding these nuts across your face. Big back ass fuck. Yeah.